Here we go here at Ozzy's Auto Repair. Once again, we got another transmission problem on these Mercedes that we found and fixed. And it's got a transmission turbine speed sensor malfunctioning problem. And right here, I took this apart already. You just take apart the transmission valve body, just like that, in the bottom. I had to do this job outside because I had to wait like 1 week to get the part. So I just took it apart outside. Anyway, here's the valve body right here, and here's the part that's bad. This is the part that's bad. We got one from the dealer. We're gonna put this one in, and then once we put it together, we're gonna program it. And that's the turbine speed sensor right here, and this is the input speed sensor, and this is the output speed sensor. Anyway, you got the whole plate, the whole mechanism, electronic component here. This is the most common failures on these cars. And if you have a turbine speed sensor code or turbine speed sensor malfunctioning, and this is the part right here that's bad. So there's tons of videos out there how to remove, replace, so I don't have to explain that. So good luck. That's what the problem is. Thank you for watching.